Here we are in the final week of UX Design Fundamentals. In this last week, we're going to look at how to make a semi-functioning digital prototype. We're going to try and make our digital prototype look and feel as real as possible, but without actually programming it. So let's look at where we are in our process. We've completed the first stages in our process, non-visual and semi-visual, and we've completed the first part of our prototyping phase. We've made the final screens that we're going to use in our prototype. Our next stage is going to be actually building that prototype, which connects to our final stage, which we're not going to deal with in this class. If this was a real project, there'd be a whole fourth phase where we would be building, programming, beta testing and revising our finished app before its launch. But with this class, we're going to end things in the second phase of our prototyping section. This is the phase where we try and simulate the final experience of our app as closely as possible. We refine our UI and UX, and we create a functioning digital prototype that we could take to another level of user testing if we wanted to. Even though we're not going to use programming to build our prototype, we're going to need some specialized software. But that software is pretty simple to use. In this last phase, you want to use all of the UI and UX skills that you've gained throughout this course. And even though we're in this last phase, you should still keep evaluating your app. If there are small changes that you need to make, that's okay, you should go ahead and make them. The process of refinement is ongoing and continual. It never ends until your app launches, and often it continues way after that with updates. But our job for now is to keep pressing ahead and finish building our digital prototype.